Tokenized gold bridges tradition and technology in the digital economy. Gold has been hidden deep within the earth for millions of years, waiting to be discovered.
Gold deposits form through intense geological processes, where molten rock carries precious metals to the surface over eons.
The journey begins with exploration. Geologists search for signs of gold using advanced surveying techniques.
Soil and rock samples are collected to detect trace amounts of gold and other indicator minerals.
Back in the lab, samples are analyzed to confirm the presence and concentration of gold.
Satellite data and geophysical surveys help pinpoint the most promising locations for gold deposits.
Once a target is identified, exploratory drilling extracts core samples from deep underground.
Core samples reveal visible gold flecks, confirming a viable deposit worth mining.
Before mining begins, thorough environmental assessments ensure operations are sustainable and safe. With permits approved, the site is ready for full-scale mining operations to begin.
For large deposits, open-pit mining begins by removing overburden to expose the gold-bearing ore.
Controlled blasting breaks up the hard rock, making it easier to excavate massive volumes of ore.
The blast safely fractures the rock, allowing heavy machinery to access the gold ore.
Giant shovels and haul trucks work around the clock to remove and transport millions of tons of material.
Modern mines use autonomous vehicles to efficiently transport ore from the pit to the crushing facility. The ore first goes through primary crushing to reduce large rocks to manageable sizes. Multiple stages of crushing and screening prepare the ore for fine grinding. Crushed ore is stockpiled and fed steadily into the milling circuit for further processing. Grinding mills pulverize the ore into a fine slurry, liberating the tiny gold particles from the rock. The slurry is thickened to concentrate the ore particles before the chemical extraction process begins.
The concentrated slurry enters the leaching phase, where a dilute cyanide solution dissolves the microscopic gold particles.
Through a chemical reaction called cyanidation, gold is selectively dissolved into the solution. The gold-rich solution moves to adsorption tanks, where activated carbon captures the dissolved gold molecules.
Carbon has a strong affinity for gold, efficiently removing it from the solution in a continuous process. The gold-loaded carbon is stripped using hot alkaline solution, releasing concentrated gold back into a smaller volume of liquid.
This concentrated gold solution, called eluate, is now ready for final metal recovery. In electrowinning, electricity forces gold ions to deposit as pure metal onto cathodes. The harvested gold sludge is filtered, dried, and prepared for smelting into doré bars.
Fluxes are added to separate remaining impurities as the mixture is melted at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Pure molten gold is poured into molds, cooling into doré bars containing about 90% gold and some silver.
The cool doré bar is weighed and sampled to determine exact gold and silver content before final refining.
Doré bars are transported to high-security refineries for purification to investment-grade standards.
In the Miller process, chlorine gas is bubbled through molten gold, removing base metals and silver as volatile chlorides.
This efficient method quickly produces high-purity gold, suitable for many applications.
For ultimate purity, the Woolwell electrolytic process uses electricity to achieve 99.99% fine gold.
The resulting gold is 4/9 pure, meeting the international standard for investment bars.
Pure gold is cast into standardized bars, ready for banking and investment. Each bar is uniquely identified and certified, ensuring trust in global markets.
For jewelry production, gold is often granulated into small grains for easier handling and alloying.
Pure gold is too soft for jewelry, so it's alloyed to create durable 18K or 14K gold in yellow, white, or rose tones.
In the jewelry workshop, the gold alloy is melted and prepared for casting into beautiful designs.
Investment casting allows intricate details to be reproduced perfectly in metal from wax models.
The casting tree reveals multiple raw gold pieces ready for finishing.
Skilled artisans clean up the castings, removing imperfections and preparing surfaces.
Diamonds and colored gems are securely set, adding sparkle and value to the piece.
Multiple polishing stages bring out the brilliant luster that makes gold jewelry so desirable.
Ultrasonic cleaning ensures every piece is spotless before final inspection.
Each piece is inspected for quality and hallmarked to guarantee authenticity and purity.
From deep in the earth, gold is transformed into timeless treasures worn around the world.
Meanwhile, refined gold bars become the foundation of global finance and investment. This is the incredible journey of gold, from hidden deep in the earth to the pure bars and jewelry we cherish today.
Behind every ounce of gold are skilled workers, engineers, and scientists working together safely.
Responsible mining companies restore the land, planting trees and returning the ecosystem to nature.
Every bar receives a unique mark, ensuring traceability and trust in the gold market. Some pieces feature handcrafted details, blending ancient artistry with modern precision.
The lost wax technique, used for centuries, creates unique and highly detailed jewelry.
The wax melts away, creating a hollow mold ready to receive molten gold.
Hot gold flows into the cavity, capturing even the finest design elements. The mold is broken to reveal the finished casting, ready for final finishing.
Advanced machines create intricate chains that form the backbone of many fine jewelry pieces.
Traditional hammering techniques add unique textures and strength to custom gold pieces.
Gold wire is drawn to precise thicknesses for wrapping, chaining, or decorative elements.
White gold jewelry is often rhodium-plated for a brilliant, tarnish-resistant finish. Stunning product photos showcase the jewelry for marketing and sales worldwide. Pure gold bars enter the global market, backing currencies and serving as a safe haven investment.
Beyond wealth, gold jewelry carries sentimental value across generations.
From deep underground to elegant showcases, gold continues to captivate humanity.
Gold is also minted into coins, serving as legal tender and collectible investments for centuries. Then, individuals and institutions buy physical gold as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty.
Nations hold vast gold reserves in secure vaults, underpinning financial stability.
Urban mining recycles gold from e-waste and old jewelry, reducing the need for new mining.
Recycled gold is indistinguishable from mined gold and re-enters the supply chain sustainably.
Gold's conductivity and corrosion resistance make it essential in electronics and aerospace industries.
In medicine, Gold compounds and nanoparticles are used in diagnostics and targeted therapies.
Gold coatings on telescope mirrors enable us to see deeper into the universe.
Throughout history, gold has symbolized power, divinity, and beauty in cultures worldwide.
Today, gold wedding bands represent eternal love and commitment in traditions around the globe.
Gold's allure has driven human exploration and craftsmanship for thousands of years, from ancient civilizations to today. In ancient times, gold was beaten into thin sheets and used to adorn royalty and sacred objects.
The California Gold Rush and others sparked massive migrations, changing history in pursuit of the yellow metal.
Today, millions of artisanal miners worldwide contribute to global gold supply, while efforts focus on safer practices.
Innovation drives the industry toward greener technologies that reduce environmental impact.
Future gold sources may come from the ocean floor, where vast deposits lie untouched.
At the nanoscale, gold's unique properties enable breakthroughs in medicine, electronics, and materials science.
Gold medals symbolize ultimate achievement, though modern ones are mostly silver with gold plating.
In times of uncertainty, investors flock to gold as a reliable store of value.
From the depths of our planet to the heights of human aspiration, gold remains eternally precious.
What began as hidden veins deep in the earth has completed its remarkable transformation.
From invisible specks in rock to symbols of wealth and beauty, the full cycle of gold.
Modern mining aims for a temporary footprint, restoring the environment for future generations. Gold travels the world, from mines in Australia, Africa, and the Americas to global consumers. Gold's unique properties, malleability, conductivity, and resistance to corrosion make it irreplaceable.
The beauty of gold in its purest form has fascinated humanity since the dawn of civilization.
Across cultures and continents, gold unites us in celebration, status, and tradition.
Gold remains one of the most trusted stores of wealth, held by individuals and nations alike.
This is the complete story of how hidden gold becomes the treasures we hold dear. From deep within our planet to the heart of human civilization, gold's journey continues.
Gold continues to inspire dreams, innovation, and discovery for future generations.
At its core, gold is a simple element, yet its journey through human hands creates extraordinary value.
Gold mining is a round-the-clock operation, combining cutting-edge technology with timeless human ambition. Today's gold industry relies on advanced data analytics and automation to operate efficiently and safely.
Sustainability is integral. Many mines now implement concurrent rehabilitation during operations.
Every legitimate gold product comes with certification, ensuring buyers receive exactly what they pay for. Gold's precision and beauty make it a favorite in luxury watches and fine instruments.
In dentistry, gold's biocompatibility and durability have made it a trusted material for restorations.
Gold leaf gilding remains a cherished technique in art restoration and decorative crafts.
Gold connects us all, drawn from the earth, shaped by human ingenuity, and treasured across the world.
In global gold souks, the metal is traded as both commodity and craftsmanship, driving economies.
On financial exchanges, gold is bought and sold virtually, influencing worldwide markets and investments. Gold's reflective properties enhance renewable energy technologies, like solar cells.
In space exploration, Gold protects equipment from radiation and extreme temperatures.
Some gold companies support wildlife conservation, offsetting environmental impacts.
VR technology trains miners safely, simulating real-world scenarios without risk.
The final assembly ensures every component is secure and the design flows perfectly.
From Earth to eternity, gold continues to shape our world.